Hello everyone, welcome to another video of React JS 19 tutorial series, and in this video we are going to modify the create post component, and instead of just an dummy button which was printing a dummy string, we are now going to print the actual values provided to these HTML elements. So we are going to modify the first input field and we'll try to capture the actual values, and you can follow the same practice for the second input field. So to capture the input values, we generally use the document object in JavaScript. So I'll go to my handler method, the event handler method, and we'll modify it and try to capture the values using the same document object. Document dot I'm going to use the get element by id method, and this method requires an argument which has to be the id of the html element we want to access, right? So I have given the name here and dot value, so we have to use dot value so that we can access the actual value of that element. So now it should have the value of the input element. If I console log this, it should print the user input to the console. Let's see. Let's go to the console. Let me just refresh it. And if I click on the button, it will open that toggle effect, right? This is from our previous videos. So if I click on the published post, we can see the values provided to the first input field. So this is how we can capture the values of the HTML elements. But this is not the recommended way. So in React, we should not directly access the HTML elements like this, because this is one of the anti-patterns in React. Anti-patterns means the practices which goes against the React's design principles. These might lead to bugs, performance issue, etc. in future. So in the upcoming video, we are going to use the proper React way of accessing these HTML values inside a React component. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next one.